So how does that look? It's not quite centered on the joint between the two concrete slabs, but leaves me a good walkway through here. A little bit more progress. Well, this ends another day at the shop. I got the hydraulic press moved. I got the table that was here out. I guess I wasn't motivated enough today to wire up the air compressor, but that's okay. I got the big blast cabinet on some casters, so I can push that around easily now. And pushed everything over here a little bit. Still cluttered. But this table is like 121 inches long, and I need to figure out where to put it. I don't really need it, but it was given to me. And the way metal is, it's probably a $500 table. So I got to find a place for it. And that's about it. Grandpa's tired. You guys have a good weekend. Be safe. Bye.